Hello guys, hope you're fine. Hope you're having a lovely day. It's been a week or two without me posting, but today I want to share with you my oxtail stew recipe. It is very simple and the oxtail comes out very tasty. So just sit, relax and enjoy the video. For the new subscribers, welcome to this family. Yes, we enjoy cooking together. We cook soups, food, spices, so many different things, juices. So you enjoy being with us. So just enjoy the video and enjoy being with this family. For the fresh ingredients, I'm going to be using 2 red onions, 2 carrots, green, yellow, and red capsicums. I'm also going to use some spring onions. I'm going to use both the whites and the greens. And I'm also going to use some garlic, minced garlic. Make sure it's minced. And I'm also going to use 2 red tomatoes. Peel them and finely chop them. For this specific recipe, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first boil the oxtails. So just put some water to your washed oxtails and then add salt to the pan and we are going to let it cook. I'm going to first cook them for 1 hour with just a combination of salt and water. Just 20 minutes within our cooking process, we already have some fat on the top, as you can see. Yeah, so it's now about 1 hour into the cooking and I'm going to add all the vegetables to this pan. Just add everything to the pan together. After 1 hour, we first let the meat cook and then we add the vegetables to cook with it. You don't have to worry about the sizes of the vegetables that you chop because this thing is going to cook for a very long time, so all the vegetables will cook and you won't actually be able to see some of them at the end of the whole process of cooking. Just make sure you cook it for a long time so that all the flavors in these vegetables infuse into our soup and into our meat. So for the dry ingredients, I'm going to be using half a teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoons of beef curry powder, and I'm also going to add some soy sauce. That is about 1 teaspoon of soy sauce to the soup. If you haven't been eating oxtail, then you're missing out on a lot. First of all, it has so many health benefits. For example, it is very good for the bones, it's very good for the skin, and not forgetting, it is very tasty. So I've just added some water to the pan because the water had reduced. Yeah, and then just give it a very nice mix so that all those flavors combine together. In case of any comments about this video, please leave them down below in the comments section. And for all the fresh and dry ingredients that I have used in the recipe, I'm going to write them for you down below in the description box. I'm also going to link other videos that may be good for you in the description box. So it is about 2 hours into our cooking and this is where we are right now and it is not yet ready. Oxtail takes about 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours to really cook nicely for it to come out very soft and very tasty. So you have to give it time to cook, and as I had said, you have to let it cook until all those flavors in the vegetables infuse together because we want a very nice soup after cooking. So I'm going to add very little water just to cook it till the end because most of my soup has reduced. But in case you don't need more soup, don't add. Just let it simmer at very low heat so that everything cooks nicely. If you haven't yet subscribed to My Kitchen by Nana and you feel like subscribing, hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell to notify you whenever I do upload. I upload twice or thrice every single week. So I've been cooking this oxtail for 3.5 hours, and right now it is soft. As you can see, the fork can go through it. It is very soft and everything has cooked nicely. Just give it time. You don't have like to rush to eat it because it won't taste good. Just give it time and cook it. Like I said, 3.5 hours to 4 hours, it will be ready. So this is how it looks like. Very nice and very soft. So if you want to remove some of the cream from the soup, this is how you're going to do it. Just place a spoon on the side and remove the cream carefully. This is the meat. This is how it looks like. Thank you guys for joining me today. Hope you liked the recipe. Hope you liked the video. Thank you. See you next time.